Okay. Good morning. Okay, we can continue with the problems what we are discussing earlier, previous period. Okay. So the last class we discussed about finding the equation of the line when 2 points are given and 1 point and slopes are given. Okay, the questions which we are going to discuss now in this period are somewhat important questions. Important questions. Okay, the questions which we are going to discuss it now are all important questions. The questions we discussed earlier are simple direct questions. Okay, once it is given with 2 points, you apply the formula and we are finding. Hereafter, it is not direct applications. You have to think a little and you have to answer. Okay, write the question. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line that cuts off. Find the equation of the line that cuts off equal intercepts. Find the equation of the line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. That cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passing through the point 2, 3 and passing through the point 2, 3. Find the equation of the line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passing through the point 2, 3. How to do this? Question is equation of the line which cuts equal intercepts. It is given intercepts are equal and passing through the point 2, 3 and it passes through 2, 3. How to do this? In equal intercept and passing through the point. So both the intercepts are given, isn't it? Both the intercepts are given means which form? Which form we have to consider? Equal intercepts on the coordinate axis means both the intercepts, isn't it? That means which form? Very good. Intercept form. Okay, we take the equation of the line in intercept form. So equation of the line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. It is given the intercepts are equal. It makes equal intercepts. So it is given a is equal to b. Both a and b are same. It is given equal intercepts. So we can write this as x by a plus y by a equal to 1. That is same as x plus y is equal to a. That is same as x plus y is equal to a. But a is not given. What is a? We don't know. In order to find a, look at the question. Is there any other point is given? What is given? The line is passing through the point, isn't it? The line is passing through the point. The line passes through the point 2, 3. So if a line is passing through the point 2, 3, it will satisfy that equation. When you substitute for x and y, it will be satisfying the equation. So it is given line passes through. Line passes through 2, 3. That means in the place of x we can put 2 and the place of y we can substitute 3. So what is the value of a? A is 5. Is it correct? A is 5. So what is the equation? What will be the equation? What is your answer? So it will be the equation. Is it x plus y minus 5 is 0? X plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Are you getting like this? Sanjana. Sanjana is there? Sanjana.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting this answer equation of the line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Akshay work is completed.
No, ma'am.
So once you complete it, tell me. Okay. Atulya is there? Atulya,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. The next one. The next one is find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2. Find the equation of line passing through 2, 2. Find the equation of the line passing through 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts and cutting off intercepts and cutting off intercepts and cutting off intercepts whose sum is 9 and cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. Cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. Okay, this is again an important question, children. It's an important question. Okay, how to solve this? Find the equation of the line passing through 2, 2 and cutting off intercept on the axis whose sum is 9. Okay, so sum of the intercepts is given. Sum. So sum of the intercepts means what is given? A plus B is given. X-intercept we always denote as A. What is meant by intercept? Those who are not present in the last class, listen children. Suppose a line is not passing through the origin. Imagine, okay, a line is not passing through the origin. If a line is not passing through the origin, surely it will cut x-axis and y-axis. Okay, that line will be cutting x-axis and y-axis. If a line is passing through the origin, it will not cut x-axis and y-axis. So you consider a line which is not passing through the origin. If a line is not passing through the origin, it will cut x-axis at some point and y-axis at some point. So the part of the axis, okay, this length, the axis length, this point, okay, this length only we call it as x-intercept. The part of the axis cut by the line. Similarly, this part is called y-intercept. Okay, x-intercept and y-intercept. Is it clear, children? That intercept concept, is it okay? It is the part of the axis cut by the line. So now here it is given sum of the intercepts is 9. That means A plus B is 9. So again, the term intercept is used here. So I'm going to take the equation of the line in intercept form. So what will be the equation of the line? For the equation of the line in intercept form is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Why I take this form? Because the intercept that is given, it is cutting both the axes. Intercepts are mentioned. So I'm taking the equation of the line in intercept form. Now, A plus B is 9. From here, what is A? Is it 9 minus B? So we can write this as x by 9 minus b plus y by b is equal to 1. Because A is equal to 9 minus b. Okay, A is not known, B is not known. What about x and y? What about x and y? What is given? Read the question. Equation of the line passing through 2 and 2. So the line passes through 2 and 2. The line passes through 2 and 2. That means x value is 2 and y value is also 2. X is 2 and y is 2. So 2 by 9 minus b plus 2 by b is equal to 1. Okay, now you simplify, you'll be getting a quadratic equation, solve it, you get 2 values for A. From there, you find out what are the values of B. Okay, so up to this point, is it okay? Up to this point, is it clear, children? Any doubt up to this? Jewel?
No, ma'am.
We are taking the equation of the line in intercept form because in the question it is given intercepts are there and sum of the intercept is given as 9. A plus B is 9. From there we find out what is B. It is A is 9 minus B, or you can substitute for B. B is 9 minus A. Both are equivalent. Okay, when we substitute it, we are getting x by 9 minus B plus y by B is equal to 1. Now it is given, it passes through 2, 2. What does it mean? The value of x and y is given. Passes through 2, 2. That means x value is 2, y value is 2. So substitute it accordingly, we'll get the next equation. Now take the common LCM here. 9 minus b into b. So you cross multiply 2b plus 2 into 9 minus b is equal to 1. So that is 2b. It is 2b plus 18 minus 2b by the denominator 9b minus b square is equal to 1. Plus 2b minus 2b will get cancelled. X is 18 is equal to 9b minus b square. So when we rearrange, b square minus 9b plus 18 is equal to 0. B square minus 9b plus 18 is 0. So product is 18, sum is 9. What are the factors? Product is 18 and sum is 9. Yes, Aditya?
Minus 6 and minus 3.
Minus 6 and minus 3, isn't it? B minus 6 into B minus 3 is 0. So B is equal to 6, 3. B is equal to 6 or 3. So we get two values for B. Okay. So when B is equal to 3, when B is equal to 3, what is A? A is 9 minus B. So it is same as 9 minus 3, which is 6. So B is 3, A is 6. So it will be the equation. The equation of the line is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Here again you can take the LCM. 3x plus 6y is equal to 18. That is x plus 2y minus 6 is 0. Is it correct? Check it. The first equation. Same way, you take the next one. When B is 6. When B is 6, what is the corresponding equation? When B is 6, what is the corresponding equation? Go through this one and tell me whether you are able to follow. Any doubts are there means you clear it now itself. This is an important question. Not only for your exam, this class exams and all, when you go for entrance exams and all. Are you able to do? Check it, children. What is the second equation? Can you give the second equation? Yes, what is the equation? Second equation. Alan Joffe, can you give the second equation? Hmm. What is the answer? And Mary? Completed, and Mary?
And 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0.
2x plus y minus 6 is 0. Is it correct? Sabrinath, is it correct? Huh? What is this second equation? 2x plus y minus 6 is 0. Only the xy terms are interchanged there, isn't it? Okay. Shall I move on to the next slide? If two lines are parallel, what we know about the slopes? If two lines are parallel, what can you say about the slopes?
Slopes are equal.
Slopes are equal. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, product of the slope is -1. Okay, if two lines are perpendicular, product of the slope is -1. Okay, so that is, listen children, listen. Suppose L1 is parallel to L2. Slope of the line is 3 means, okay, suppose the slope of this line is 3. Then slope of the second line will be also 3. Okay, so this is the case when they are parallel. Suppose L1 is perpendicular to L2. Perpendicular means they are at 90 degree, isn't it? Angle between them is 90 degree. Suppose slope of the first line is 5. What will be the slope of the second line? What we know? If the slopes, if they are perpendicular, M1 into M2 is -1. So M1 is 5 into M2 is -1. Therefore, what will be the slope of the second line? What is the slope of the second line? -1/5. Okay. So if they are perpendicular, how to get the slope of the second line? Perpendicular line slope. Take the reciprocal and change the sign. Take the reciprocal of the slope and just change the sign. Opposite sign you have tried. Okay. Let us look at one more example. Okay, suppose we are given with the line L1. L1 is perpendicular to L2. Slope of this line is 2 by 3. What will be the slope of the line L2?
minus 3 by 2.
Minus 3 by 2. Okay, just take the reciprocal and change the sign. Take the reciprocal and change the sign. If they are perpendicular, the condition to be satisfied is M1 into M2 is minus 1. Product of the slopes is minus 1. Okay. Okay. Is it clear, children? Okay, now write the next one. The perpendicular from the origin to the line, the perpendicular from the origin to the line meets at minus 2, 9. The perpendicular from the origin to the line meets it at minus 2, 9. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
The perpendicular from the origin. The perpendicular from the origin to a line meets at minus 2, 9. Perpendicular from the origin to a line meets at minus 2, 9. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. How to do this? Okay, what is given? Look at the question. The equation, the perpendicular from the origin. So, from the origin, I am drawing a perpendicular to a line. And what is given? It meets the line at the point minus 2, 9. So, not here. Minus 2, 9 means x is minus 2 somewhere here, isn't it? So, when a perpendicular is drawn, it meets at the point minus 2, 9. We are asked to find the equation of the line. Suppose A is this point and B is this one. We are asked to find the equation of this line. Suppose O is the origin. And this is the perpendicular. So the perpendicular drawn from the origin meets the line at minus 2, 9. Find the equation of the line. How will you do this? How to do this, children? Tell me. Which formula we have to use? We are asked to find the equation of the line AB, isn't it? We are asked to find the equation of the line AB. Okay, we want to find the equation of this line. So for this line, 1 point is given, isn't it? We are given with the 1 point, which is that point. X1, Y1 is given. Minus 2, 9. If 1 point is given, either we need 1 more point or we need slope, isn't it? 1 more point is not given. Is it possible to find slope? Is it possible to find the slope? Suppose I name this point as P. What is given here? What is about the line OP? What do you know about OP?
Origin is 0, 0s.
Origin is 0, 0. So we can find slope of OP. Is it possible to find slope of OP? Can you find out slope of OP? What is the formula to find the slope? Change in y by change in x. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So if you take the slope as x1, y1, next point as x2, y2, 9 minus 0 by minus 2 minus 0. So which is negative 9 by 2. Slope of the line OP is negative 9 by 2. So what will be the slope of the line AB? What will be the slope of the line AB?
2 by 9.
It is 2 by 9. Now look at here. We got 1 point and we have 1 slope. 1 point is there. X1, Y1 is there. And we have the slope of the line AB. So M is also given. So now we can use 1 point slope form. 1 point is known and slope is also given. So you can use equation of the line using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus, what is y1 here? 9 is equal to 2 by 9 into x minus of x1. So it is x plus 2. Now cross multiply, simplify and give the answer. What is the answer, Akshay?
I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay, children, answer or attendance? What is the answer? What is the answer, children? Final answer? Malavika, what is the final answer?
2x minus 9y plus 85.
Minus 9y plus
Plus 85.
85. Is 0. Is it like this, Pooja? Are you getting the answer like this equation of the line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I do the next one? Write the next one. P of A comma B, capital P of A comma B, name of the point. Okay, P of A comma B is the midpoint. Is the midpoint of the line segment between the axes. Is the midpoint P of A comma B is the midpoint of the line segment between the axes. Show that the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. X by a plus y by b is equal to 2. P of A comma B is the midpoint of the line segment between the axes. Between the axes, this is the midpoint. To find that, you have to prove the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. Okay, now listen, children. Okay, here it is given equation of the line between the axes. Okay, so between the axes means let us take in this form. So let AB be the line segment. Okay, so let AB be the line segment. And P is the midpoint. It is given P is the midpoint. P is given as A comma B. Now listen, it's an easy question. Okay, easy question only, but you have to think. What can you say about the point B? Look at the point B. Let the point B be. What can you say about the point B? Okay, can you give the form? What is the form? It will be of the form
X comma 0.
x comma 0 because it is a point on x-axis. And you take the point AB. The point A, we can take it as 0 comma y because it is a point on y-axis. Now we can find the midpoint. Therefore, what is the midpoint P? By using the midpoint formula, the midpoint P is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is x by 2, comma y by 2. But what is given? The point is given as A and B. So therefore, x will be same as 2a, y will be same as 2b. That means this intercept, x-intercept, this point is 2a comma 0. This point is 0 comma 2b. In other words, we can say x-intercept is 2a, y-intercept is 2b. X is 2a. That means this x-intercept is 2a, y-intercept is 2b. Okay. X-intercept is 2a and y-intercept is 2b. So what will be the equation of the line? X by 2a plus y by 2b is equal to 1. That is x by a plus y by b is equal to 2 is the equation of the line. Okay, here first we are finding the intercept. We are finding the equation of the intercept and we are doing. Okay. Is it okay? Is this question clear? Is it okay, children? So with this, we end the session now. Thank you.